Howdy, ho lads. Hope you guys can hear me. Let me just check. Audio mic checking 1 2 3. Yeah, sound checking
Okay.
1 2 3. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alrighty. Just messing in Discord. Yeah. We'll continue on our interview 150 problems. I was thinking to start with dynamic programming, but it's okay. We'll continue with our this thing. Yo, Wrench. Why are you asking about the my DC? What? 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 Bro, I have no idea what you're saying. But let me coin a term. Oh, howdy, I see. Okay, let me ask you something, Ranch, and everybody here. Do you know the meaning of the term house poor? Do you know the meaning of that term? If you know the meaning of that term, let me coin a new term today called AI poor or fucking GPU poor, man. So today I was working. No, house poor is somebody who has owns a house, but basically, he a majority of his salary, his or her salary, is going into the mortgage payment or the house, whatever are the bills, right? So he or she don't have money to spend anything else like buying clothes or something, right? Yeah, so I'm putting a term called GPU poor. I have a 4070 Ti, and freaking hell, it has only 12 GB VRAM. So I can't. I've been doing research. I was working on something, and I had such a hard time getting something like things that I want to work. Um, like what I want my GPU, the models I want to do on my local. Nothing is like such a pain in my butthole. And I all I have been doing is looking for refurbished or like the old chips. Like the old AI chips or GPUs from data centers certified. I have been looking in such a bad, what's this called, rabbit hole. Yeah, but like the thing is like the reason I want to do it on my own, like on my local, is because of the censorship, right? There are a lot of things that are censored, and I don't want it to be censored. So Olama 4 with the 80B billion, or even if not 80 billion, at least 2 billion, right? 2 and other models that were, I could not run. 2 billion is also like a stretch. So I've been on this. It's crazy. It's crazy. That's all I've been doing. Olam is actually like something I'm very interested in, and I've been like looking more into. I did signed up for, and I think everybody should. If you guys are into like want to get the API, what I wanted was, why is showing like this? So yeah, here. So Llama 4, but Llama 4 API I wanted, and if you can join the waitlist, that's what I did. Oh, really? Interesting. But yeah, like this is what I was like working towards, understanding how the models work and things I can download. I believe I have no idea, man. I have no idea. It's That's the thing, right? Like you are having so much issue with just this, just on YouTube. Like so many things are censored for no reason. I want to like do stuff, and those might they will be 100% censored on Gemini and stuff. Love Gemini for deep research and getting things done, but holy hell. Yoho, Alone Island. Oh, what streak? I never knew. Reached. Oh, nice. Yo, I never knew there is something called a watch streak. That's awesome. That's sick. Yo. Yo. Dude, but yeah, like this Olama is like what I believe going to be a lot of people's future choice in coming years. Who can, of course, afford things, right? Who can afford a GPU and stuff. Because these things like are it's like more expensive than the other ones, but if you are running it in local, it's really nice. And it has like old ones. Gemini 3 is not updated here. 3.2 is not here. 5.2 is not here. So it's pretty old. Interesting. Yeah, there's another thing actually for people who are interested in GPUs and all these things. One thing Nvidia is about to do, which I think a lot of people hate it, but personally for me, I love it. GPU versus and RAM separate. They are separating this thing. It is in a dedicated GPU graphics. Right now, they are physically integrated, so I can't increase it, right? But no longer Nvidia reportedly no longer supplying VRAM in its GPU board partner in response to memory crunch. Rumors claim vendors will only get the die forced to source memory on their own, which is nice, right? So a person like me is good for me, right? Because the restriction of VRAM is gone. Bro, Elon is coming up with something way crazier, way more crazier. The reason that's nice because let's say I'll give you example quickly. So currently, right, I own Nvidia 4070 Ti. The issue with this is it's a 12 GB, right? And this is like on the lower. It's like almost if I put it in the classes way, right? Like society classes, we have lower class, middle class. This is the lower middle class, but the lower end one, right? 12 GB. What you need is something like a 24 GB to have a good life minimum, which is like a upper middle class. Do you understand? 16 is like a middle class, you're on the verge, but like upper middle class, this is 24 GB to run something good, honestly. And remind you, I have RAM also, and my RAM is 32 GB. But my VRAM is biggest issue, that's 12 GB. Not going to provide VRAM, so their suppliers, they had, yeah, but I can add, right? Yeah, no, 40, bro, I have been working for 4 years and finally able to afford things I like. After 25 years of living, 27 now, where like I was able to buy things. But the thing is, like VRAM, even though the prices, at least I don't have to spend money. Yo, Idor, I send you something. Please look at it and let me know what your thoughts are. I send you something in the DM. I know you will be gone, so I thought I'll say that. Yeah, but like no, it will be made. Like who knows? It might be made because they want Nvidia when they partner, they will say that it should be easy to add, right? It should be easy to add. It's a lot of interesting things done. So I've been all day, like I've been just on these pages, and so this is the one I was thinking. So this is not the one I can run in any way. 400 billion parameters. No, 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 not the Scout. There was one which was like around 2 billion ones, which I could run on my GPU because my RAM is also like good. But yeah, man, it's taking so much of my energy. Yeah, I need to start doing that. I need to start adding my specs. Hopefully, I can make money, man. I need to like actually look into monetization of streaming. Nvidia is greedy, but like, bro, their margins. Nvidia, I don't think you guys saw the memes I sent. Of course, it's greedy, man. It is greedy. Every company is greedy. And you know how greedy they are? How greedy they are? Comparison summary, right? Nvidia Corporation gross margin is 70 to 76%. Some illegal drug dealers are at 50%, boss. Like he has better gross margins than an illegal drug dealer. What do you mean he's not greedy, man? What do you mean? What do you mean? Uh. But you understand how greedy it is, what you're saying versus what it is. I posted that. This guy is beating gross margins of drug dealers. I love Reddit. This is what I said. It's crazy because and this is I posted on the date 19th November when it came. Yeah, but like at least like I don't have to buy. So here's the thing, right? My Nvidia I purchased, let's say, for $1,200, right? I purchased my ReRAM. Took me so much time to like save. Like I had to like send my bottles, like plastic bottles, to recycling. I saved every single penny, man. But like, see, my 4070 Ti is 1200, right? I right now have to buy another similar like Nvidia GPU. Let's say to another I have to spend. Let's say if I'm buying a same one, 1200, right, to reach 24 GB, right? No, 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 actually, like think about it. 24 GB if I want to reach need this. But with VRAM, I might actually instead of spending 1200 more, I might just spend like say 400 more. So it might be a good thing, right? Depends how it will come out, but yeah, right now I'm very angry and I have been like AI poor. At this moment, I'm AI poor. CH4 doesn't care. He has money. Think about us poor people. Bro, it took me. I've been working since 2021 and able to afford things in 2025. I've been saving a lot, man. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much, Idol. Yeah, dude. Like I have to. Bye, bro. Thank you so much, Idol. Love you, bro. All the best. But yeah, like right now, that's why I posted in the in the Discord. If anybody knows about like the API credits, that would be very helpful. Because I need to train model, and it would take some time. And if it works, that could be like a really good thing I can use to get better job, and that will pay me more, and I can like buy some good GPUs. But yeah, lads, that was my rant for the day. Coming from instead of home poor, we are in a century where we are AI poor or GPU poor. Great success of human society. No, bro, I can't train myself. I feel like a dog. I need training. Okay, but okay. Going back, right? Let me get my. I don't have shit. Read. Okay, but now let's get back to the thing we came here for, right? Add two numbers, another top 150 interview problems. Again, related to linked list, right? But yeah, I have to do the specs things, that's for sure. No, this is Vicks, bro. This is Vicks inhaler. And I got it from India for 69 rupees, interestingly. But yeah, like I got it from India because it's here, it's like another $4. I'll get from India for $1. Ah, bro, I'm cheap, man. I don't have a lot of money. Okay, but no, let's lock in, lads. Let's lock in. Okay, let's log in to our problem. Let's log into our problem. Add two numbers. Top 150 interview problems, right? Medium level. So I'm happy we are started doing medium levels. At least we are reaching that level. You are given two empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. I think we should have done two problems. This is easy. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except for the number zero itself. So if we have, let's say, 3, 4, 2, and 4, 6, 5, so we'll add 3 plus 4. No, oh, actually, this is 243, not 342. So 243, 564. Wait, hold up. No, no. Oh, they are in reverse. Sorry, 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 sorry. So this represent this copy image. So this indeed represent 324, and this represents 564. What do we have to do is add this. No, wait, 564, 342. I'm an idiot. 342. So this will become 601. So 806 or 807. Uh, okay. Okay. No. My brain is cooked. No. Okay. 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5. This is how they are. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 goes here, 7. Did it wrong again? Dude, what the fuck is wrong with me today? No, it's 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5. Yeah, okay, this is right. So 2 plus 5, 7. This becomes 10, so 1. And this has to be 807. And now we will end up with like 807. Okay, that's our way to do. Okay, finally we got that right. So how do we do it in a, let's say, ON method almost? I think we can just keep on going, right? 5 plus 2, whatever is here, added. Then we go to the next one, next and next here. If it is more, right, we just add that to here. So I think we can keep a temp to get that, right? L1, L2 is there, right? And list node. So for example, we'll do, let's say result is equal to, and there is list node, and I'll do the value 0, and none is the default. That's good. I didn't even have to give 0 because that's the default, right? If L1 is none, return L2, right? Else if L2 is none, return L1, right? If none of them is the case, so while L1 and L2 will go, result is equal to L1.val plus L2.val divided by 10. Oh, not divided by 10. Remainder. Ten divided by 3 output is 1. Why? 7 is odd. Remainder, I just do it here. Radhe Radhe Papa. So if we do in Python, calculate using modular operator or built-in div mod, two operands and return the value left over after division. I don't get this one. Python online interpreter. 1. Why is it 1? No, wait. Remainder. Oh, okay, sorry. I understand now. Sorry. My brain here should do this. Temp is equal to L1 plus L2, L1 dot val plus L2 dot value plus whatever was temp before 1, right? And 10. Yeah, here temp and temp will be 0 for the start, right? Keep going. So when this happens, so L1 will go, if not none, right? So we'll go till L1 is equal to L1 dot next, L2 is equal to L2 dot next. If and then for result dot val is equal to this, result dot next is equal to this. Sounds good, boss. I will do it. I will do after this. Is it okay if I do after this? Is it urgent? Or is it regarding the question I asked? No. I won't do that. No. We will have result as none for now. Okay, sounds good. I will check after this. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. Nope. Not doing that. Result node, if not this. Maybe I should do it this way. I'll define it as a node. Once its value is set, now I want to move the result to the next one, if next one exists. How it is that I created the first node, right? I set its value, then go in the next iteration do I want to go. Thank you so much, boss. Bye. Have a good day. All the best with your stuff. Okay, I can do this with temp node is equal to list node. You done? Me too. Almost done. Temp underscore node val is this. Is none right now. If result is not none, dot next is equal to temporary node. Else result is equal to temp node thing, and then return. What did you got for like beat percentage? So result, you start with none, till this happens, but also if, does it say they are equal? No, that doesn't have to be equal. If, no, 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 I don't want hint. Else if, not one. But what was your beat percentage was? 246. Okay, something I'm doing wrong. So 243 and this one. Let's see. 243564. Runtime was 100. Nice. 243. I think it's fine. Like memory is like, unless in my case, even though I was just ranting about memory, when you are working in like big companies, I think memory is not the issue. Especially with cloud, it's cheap. Like memory is the cheapest thing in cloud after like certain things. But like in terms of computational versus memory, memory is the cheapest thing. So this is our case, right? And it should be entering like 8207 should be coming, or 708 should be coming as the answer. Let's see what I'm doing. Why 0 didn't come for me, right? So if it is none, right? Create a new node, get the answer, and temporary variable is this value. Go to the next result. If it is the first one, if it is the first one, or it is none, then result is equal to the temporary node. That will be the first one. But if it is not this one, result value should change here. Hmm. Result should move, and this should be head. I should return head. There should be something similar code like this in Leetcode, so I can see how many people did solution like me. There is a way, right? Oh, I can do it this way actually. Let's don't know. Actually, I will show you something. I will show you something. So list node, and what I can do, right? Just remind me, because of the editorial, I found a way to get it all in one PDF, like you saw. So I can just keep, for every day we do lead code, I can send you the editorial PDF also. Okay. So the list node, right, creates this one. If result is nothing, right, result is equal to 10. Yeah, being in web dev for so long helps, man. Else result dot next, or instead of result, I should say tail. Better word. Tail dot next is equal to this one. Tail is equal to tail dot next. Better using of words. Being poor and having a rich friend like you is always. Now it's even more bad. We did, like, in student life, there were days I had like some really, really tough times, so don't worry. You're in good, man. Now even the 7 is gone and need to search why. This is good. Temp node dot val. Once a pirate, always a pirate by heart, and so yep. That's true, my friend. That's true. 708, yes, that's coming. So it's just my way I'm setting things up. So temporary node is a new node, getting the value. Oh, I should be returning head, not tail. Cool, wrong answers for all. Head should be this. Why this is having this? Head, head and tail should be pointing to the same thing, right? No? Let's say if I go like tail is equal to head. Oh, if tail. Mm, okay, let me think. Dude, my brain is good, man. Why am I making these mistakes? It should not. I have a head pointing to a node, and tail is also pointing to head. When I make these changes, tail and head are not pointing to the same node, right? Then tail dot next is equal to the else If they're pointing to the same thing, what if I do? Yeah, I know what you're about to say. So if head is pointing to none, if my condition goes if head is pointing to none, then head will point to temporary node, and if it's not pointing to none, then head. I need to keep a track of the head then, right? Is this here that's goalmal is happening? Need to figure it out. If tail is not equal to head, tail dot next is equal to temporary node. Python explain head equal tail equal list node. Leave the page. Achieves two things. I mean, it creates a single list node object and assigns the same object reference to both. Yes. It's a very common pattern when initializing linked list. Yes. So I was right in this part. They both point to the same node. Now, at first actual one. By the way, CH, I got a chance to work in SBI cybersecurity team, but they needed master's degree. Just tell them like, hey, just best one of the ways I will do is talk it send them a cv, right? Send them a cv of your achievements, because and mention to them, hey, I understand you want a master's student, even though I don't have a master's degree, but I'm very passionate about it, right? And I would rather take a less salary, because when hr gets some in what's it called candidate for a lesser job, that's like an incentive to the hr, right? Like if a job, you will see a job has a salary range of, let's say, one 100,000 to, let's say, 120,000, right? Let's say it was in Mumbai, they were ready to provide rooms and everything. You just say, so I will tell you this, right? So this is the range, right? Now HR is needs to hire someone, and they also needs to save money. So they would prefer to get somebody for 100,000 instead of 120,000, right? So you say, hey, I'm ready to take a lower pay. What I want is like, just give me a chance. These are all the things I have done. And I would request you to just like use AI for this and say, hey, help me, just take an interview if you feel that would be great. But I would, because everybody starts from somewhere, right? I don't have a master's degree, but I have spent so much time, and I have gained such a respect in the cybersecurity, that I have many references. You can give my reference. I have so many references all over the world who talk about my stuff. Yeah, I have respect in community. You can say these things. Send a CV. That's why CV is a very important in these cases, because once the HR reads your CV cover letter, they actually are able to see what you did more, and you are able to convince them. Try it. If they say no, then still that's fine, but give it a try. Make sure you send a CV and ask AI for help. I have to make a CS. Yeah, just make one. Use AI for it, right? Use AI for these things, and there's so many out there which can help you. This node. No problem, mate. Like these are the things, once you just, I have been to so many, right? Interviews and stuff. I had a really hard time too. So I have unemployment experience. That's why I'm good at giving employment advice because I have a lot of unemployment experience. Jaspal Bhatti forever. RIP, legend. Why I keep getting this, man? You often use apps reading every advice, every guide as you explore. This guy, this guy. I have a video for you. I will show you something. I think it's your face. I will ask. I think I saw something. Don't worry. I actually wanted to get. I have a video of you. Don't worry. I will show that today. No, actually, I have a video of a guy from Pitampura. Don't you worry, bro. So if tail and head are not pointing to the same thing, oh, they will be pointing to the same thing. That's the issue. Mm, I can do this way. Tail equals none. You can actually go on create clips from Twitch. It's very easy there. Head. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right. 8 should become 1. Oh no. If L1 is none and L2 is not none, so we need to get L2 value plus whatever was temporary. This L2 is equal to L2 dot next, tail is equal to tail next. Same thing here again, but L2 will be replaced by L1. Really? I think you can get, should be able to get more, but like that's more than enough, right? So, or much easier. Tail dot next equal to list node. Yep. Okay, 31%. I don't like that. Let's see how we can improve this. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Just run again. Oh, oh, beats 100%. Never mind. Thank you. I don't like lead code in these cases, man. Just give me the ON. But in this case, ON is just whatever is the longer one, ON or OM, whichever is the longer one. So ON. Yeah. Wait, I have a video of you, bro. What I was saying. I won't show it here actually. Mm. You are from
Forever.
You are from what's this called? Pritampura, right? Pritampura.
मैं बियर आप बहुत आराम से पहले तुम मरो बिंदु आ जाओ आगे चलो हम समझौता करने आए
One sec. Let me put it in English.
अबे वाह
Continue, bro.
तो बिंदु चलो उनसे बात करते हैं आराम से वो तुम पे हमला भी कर सकता है बहुत आराम से पहले तुम मरो बिंदु आ जाओ आगे चलो हम समझौता करने आए अबे गांड के अंदर हिंदी आती है मुझे दिल्ली से हूँ मैं स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम पीतमपुरा
This is you, eh?
अबे गांड के अंदर हिंदी आती है मुझे दिल्ली से हूँ मैं स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम पीतमपुरा तो तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो अरे कुछ नहीं यार सिटी
This is this is you, man. I won't say send it in the chat. I don't that. Right from Pritampura, bro. Okay. Finally, we did this problem. Let's see. I think this is good enough for today because I just want to sleep early and able to wake up early for try hack me. Need to start doing that on proper timings. You are from Pritampura. You said you were from Pritampura. I'm damn sure. You are, bro. You are. You don't know, but you are from Pritampura. Okay, but let's see. Tomorrow we'll do. I have done this one. Let's see. You are from the other hub. The hub. I will send this editorial too. Um, One sec. Is it? Oh, this is much better code. Okay, I'll send this for sure. Okay, I'll send this editorial too. Okay, but yeah, let's hope you guys enjoyed this interesting thing, whatever this is, the problem. Tomorrow we will do merge two sorted ones and copy list with random pointer. I know what you said. Pritampura. Okay, but yeah, thank you so much, lads. Hope you guys enjoy. Um, have a great day. Have a great night. Get some good sleep or get your work done or studying done. Right. I will come tomorrow. Tomorrow. So I was talking to someone and the person mentioned. Oh, nice. But the guy mentioned that Advent of Cyber Day 10 is working again, which was what's that? The sock one, right? That's working again. So we can, based on how early I wake up, either we'll do this one or cross-site scripting. The other one will do it on Saturday, right? Because I missed the cross-site scripting and sock wasn't working that day. So yeah, but for sure we'll do the fishing and we complete that for sure tomorrow. Oh, containers, Door Dashers demise, nice. Frozen Pines Hotel. I love these artwork though. I wish I was that creative. Okay. But yeah, lads, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. By the way, see, send me the video I will send. Oh, send you the video. Okay. I don't know if I can send you the video. I will see. Because I don't think I can download it. Can I? I'll try to see if I can download. I will see. If not, oh, wait. Copy link. Oh, copy link to this. I'll try to see. Left click. Can I download?
Hello everyone.
Yeah, yeah. I'll try to see. That's what I was saying. I'll try to see. If not, that's fine. Yep, yep, yep. I know what you're talking about. I can't show it on here though. Well, okay, lads. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining. I'll go back to my sleep soon. Right. First, I have to clean the dishes, but I will get try to sleep early so I can come up early. And pirates, pirates. Okay, the G cave, the hackers cave, the hub. Okay. Thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day. Thank you, Wrench. Thank you, Lone Island. And thank you so much, Idor, for joining and that. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, this has been your favorite neighborhood hacker, censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, man. Thank yourself too. Yeah. Thank you, G Money. Thank you.